Let's go ahead. Say Vidya, A can complete a job in 15 days alone. He started the work and after 3 days, B joined him. They completed the work in 4 more days. Find the number of days in which B alone can finish the work.
Okay, it says that A can complete a job in 15 days. He started working and after 3 days, B joined him. And together they took 4 more days to finish the work. How to start? This is different from previous problem.
Right, Vidya? Here the issue is, how do we calculate the total amount of work? So let's assume that the whole task is manufacturing of 15 pencils. Now, as A can finish the complete task in 15 days, we can say that A will have to make 1 pencil a day. And now,
Let me do it. I was stuck because I was unable to assume this. But now we have assumed that the task is manufacturing of 15 pencils. Now, since A makes 1 pencil a day, he will make 3 pencils in 3 days. After this, B joined him and together they make the remaining pencils. And the remaining pencils are 15 minus 3 equal to 12. So, A and B together made 12 pencils in 4 days. Whereas A is capable of making 1 pencil a day, so he must have contributed with 4 pencils in 4 days. And so, hence, B must have manufactured 8 of those remaining 12 pencils. This means B can manufacture 8 pencils in 4 days. So he makes 2 pencils a day. And now I have to find in how many days B can finish the job of manufacturing 15 pencils at the rate 2 pencils a day alone. An answer is simple. If B makes 2 pencils a day, he will take 15 by 2, that is 7.5 days to finish the job. I was stuck with assumption of work. Otherwise, this was easy.
कुछ ज्यादा ही स्टक हो रही हो विद्या assumption of work में। आओ लॉजिकल पाथ देखें। यहाँ वर्क assumption की जरूरत ही नहीं थी। ध्यान दो, ए अकेले काम खत्म करता है 15 दिनों में। 3 दिन अकेले काम करने के बाद अगले 4 दिनों के लिए बी ने भी ए के साथ काम किया। अब टोटल ए ने किया 7 दिनों तक काम और बी ने किया 4 दिनों तक काम और काम खत्म। यानी कि एक बात तो साफ है कि बी के 4 दिन के काम की वजह से ए को 15 दिनों की जगह 7 दिन ही काम करना पड़ा, यानी कि 8 दिन कम। और बस अब बात बिल्कुल साफ है, ए का 8 दिनों का काम बी 4 दिनों में कर लेता है, यानी आधे टाइम में। तो 15 दिनों का काम 7.5 दिनों में ही तो करेगा ना।
That's wonderful, Ghanchakkar. It's amazing how you think up all this stuff.
Don't get stuck up. Keep visualization. That's the message.
I got your message, friend. Thank you.
okay, now let's try one more question. Let's say